Hi everyone, welcome to Bedessee West Indian Supermarket here in Lauderhill, Florida. Come shop with me for all of my Christmas goodies. You can get all of your cake pans here for baking along with all of your dried fruits. Now these are pre-packaged and they also have ones that you can weigh by the pound. Pear Drax, $5.99. Let's get one of these. I also need to get a bag of dal. This is 10 pounds for $10. All of your dried beans. And here, provision. On this side, we have all of the dried fruits that we can weigh out by the pound, half pound, or how much you need. Let's get a block of Trini cheese, and I need to get golden ray. So I'm gonna get one of that. It's $3.99. Look what they have. They have ghost peppers. So I'm gonna get some of these and some red habanero. And don't forget, they also have pimento peppers here. One pack is $7. Bandania or shadow benny or culantro. And this is 99 cents for one bundle. So in this aisle, you'll get all of your seasonings, your ketchup, jerk seasoning, pepper sauce. Bertie's, this is $24.99. So guys, don't forget you can pick up the sizzler pepper sauce from Caribbean Flavors here at Bedessee also. Okay, here you'll get the fruitcake Morbi concentrate that I used to soak my fruits. You'll get it here along with sugar and spice. They have a power infusion and they have regular Morbi along with sorrel concentrate and vanilla chai. Okay, let's get a bottle of hot chow or chow chow. You must have this when you have your ham. Okay, so for Christmas, I must have fried chana on my table. So let's get one pepper peas and one pepper chana, and I want pepper peanuts. So we're gonna get pepper peanuts, so all three. And you can get all of your Devon creams here. Strawberry, chocolate, custard, vanilla, bourbon, coconut. So we have salt prunes, snow plum, pepper peach, pepper honey prune, pure salt prunes, red mango. You name it, they have everything here. Kiss cakes, and let's get a pack of cricks. Angostura bitters for your black cake, your punch de creme, and all of your spices. 1 6-pack of shandy sorrel. If you guys never made fruitcake with this, a light fruitcake, this makes an amazing light fruitcake. And yes, I have a recipe for it. Here's one of my favorites. This is our red stripe sorrel. You all have to try this whenever you come here. We didn't go down that lane. Okay. So your cornmeal, your baking powder, your corn flour, everything, we're gonna get it here. You guys know I always tell you that Bedessee baking powder, this Campa brand, makes the best roti, the best Dhalpuri, the best bus-up shot. It is an amazing product. Make sure you pick this up. Okay, here you can get Bedessee's own brand of promasa to make your pastels. Look what they have. Purple heart bilna, and I love that the bilna, the rolling pin, it doesn't spin. A perfect Trini bilna. This one is $24.99. And let's talk about the frozen section here, where you can get fresh goat, frozen goat, fresh duck, black pudding available for those who are looking for that. And then you can get lots of pimento peppers. Now these are in the freezer, but they do have fresh and frozen. You show all of this in your pan. I don't want to do over the video. Okay. Fresh duck. No Christmas. Trini Christmas is complete without it. So all of your dried herbs, curry leaves. Someone asked me recently where they can get curry leaves in Florida, and you can get it here at Bedessee. Chow mein, 2 for $5. So you definitely want to pick these up. And fresh dashing bush, a nice big bundle. This one is $18.73. Pui bhaji, this is great in dal also.
Great today, man.
Thank you. Yeah. I look crazy the other days. Check this one out. If you want to make pone this Christmas, but you don't want all of that grating, and you don't want to do all of that grating, you can pick up a packet of grated cassava. They have small packets and bigger packets. Casreep. This is the casreep. Okay guys, so here you can find all of the different brands of casreep. So you can get all of your essences here, and as you all know, this is the brand that I use, and you can get that here also. Browning for your cakes. You have a wide variety of brownings to choose from. Okay, you all wanted to know where you can get the pimento ground berries. You can get it here, and also the cake spice. All of your curries and spices will be found on this lane. Both Guyanese, Jamaican, Trinidadian, Surinamese, you can find it here. Let's get macaroni for macaroni pie. They have the small packs for $2.99. The bigger packs are $4.99. So I'll get 2 small packs. Goat head and goat feet. And they have their own smoked ham. So you can get your dried sorrel and your morbi, all of your spices to make homemade sorrel drink. And these are the traditional iron pots from back home. If you guys are interested, did you know that you can call Bedessee and place an order and they'll ship it to you anywhere in the USA? You just have to pay for the shipping, of course. fresh cascadoo just came in. You'll have to come and get these. Shark meat to make bacon shark. Let's get some cocoa balls with the original nutmeg grater, and using Kesong, let's go make some cocoa tea. Jamaican scallions or saif. So guys, you'll always ask me where you can find the silly mint or bay rum leaf. Here at Bedessee, you can find a dried version and it works just the same. Perfect in your cocoa tea or pone, pay me, really good. So be sure to pick this up. Hello. Fresh curry leaves also available here at Bedessee. So don't forget to pick up your pone, your black cake, and if you wanted to order an entire tray of these, they cater also. So I got everything that I came here for. Be sure to come down and check them out. They have a wide range of products for you all to choose from throughout the Caribbean. It's time for me to cash and head home. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And be sure to pick up your 2025 free calendar here when you shop. What's here? Thank you. Bye-bye.